Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. I'm the internet specialist here. Today I'll be showing you this Civic SR 1.6 diesel manual gearbox. Really lovely car. Got good history on it. One owner from new. To start off with, it's covered in this really nice shiny black color. Do have automatic headlights, they're LED. We do have LED fogs as well. Front and rear parking sensors. In this video I'll be showing you any wear and tear on the car. It does have the 17-inch alloy wheels, they're grey in color. Really lovely, no wear and tear with regards to scuffs or anything on the car. Got the silver trim going on in the car, rear privacy glass. Got shark fin antenna on top. Did a spoiler. Second alloy there. Going on. LED tail lamps. You do have reverse parking sensors and a reverse camera just down there. Show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space. You do have some storage space under here. There we go. You have your tire packet in there. There's a camera there. Really lovely. As you can see, there's no wear and tear anywhere on the car. The customer has taken really good care of it. Credit to his previous owner. Really lovely. I'll jump in and I'll show you the interior on this car. You've got all 4 automatic windows along with your wing mirror function and locking system down here. Here we've got parking sensors, collision mitigation system, lane departure assist and your vehicle stability control. So the car's done 23,812 miles, which is lovely. You got multifunction steering wheel. On the left you got your Bluetooth hands-free function and your entertainment controls. On the right you got adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, really nice. Auto headlights, auto wipers. Got navigation as standard on this lovely touchscreen. You do have DAB, FM, got Bluetooth and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just have to plug it down there along with the 12-volt socket down here. You have 6-speed manual gearbox, your auto on and off. You got ECON mode, brake hold and your electric parking brake. Show you the reverse camera on this car. There we go. It does have 3 settings on the camera, which is standard, nice and handy. Yeah, all the options on here. You got dual zone climate control as well. So yeah, the car's here with us. We'll live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. It does get 1 year's warranty and a cover as standard. So feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car or want to go on a test drive. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.